Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to talk about sets in Python language. So what is set? Set is an unordered collection of unique elements in Python language. This is defined by using curly braces or even using set functions. Set do not allow duplicate values and don't maintain any order. Let's see how we can create a set. So we can create a set by using curly braces or by using set function. At first we will create a set by using curly braces. So to create this, I will take a variable with name myset and then equal and then curly braces. Inside the curly braces I want to create an integer value like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then I want to display the set. So for this, I will write print a my set, and after that, I will click on this run button. You will see that this set is displayed on output window. In the same way, we can also create a set by using set function. So to create this, I will take a variable with name my set2 equal. I will write set with parentheses. Inside this, I will create square bracket, and then I will write my same integer values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I want to display this, I will write print my set2. When I click on this run button, you will see that inside this output window, this set is displayed on this output window. So if we want to create an empty set using curly braces, it will be treated as a dictionary. Always use set function for an empty set. So remember that when we want to create an empty set using curly braces, it will be treated as a dictionary. So always use set function for an empty set. For example, I want to create an empty set. I will take a variable with name empty set, and then I will write equal and then set with parentheses. I want to display, so I will write print and then empty set. And after writing that, I will click on this run button. When I click on this run button, you will see in the output window by using type function. So you can see that it displays this as a set. Set function has some properties. Sets are always unordered, unindexed, unique element, and mutable. Unordered means that elements inside the set are not arranged in any specific order. Every time when we print a set, the order may change. Let's see with an example. I will take a variable with name set1 equal curly braces 3142. I want to display this, so I will write print, and inside the parentheses I will write my variable name, which was the set1. So when I click on this run button, you will see that random values are displayed on the output window. So that's why we call this unordered. So unindexed means that unlike lists, sets do not have indexes for elements. You cannot access any element using an index. For example, my set equal 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to write print my set and inside the square bracket 0 because I want to access the first element. So after writing this, I will click on this run button. You will see that this will give an error. So that's why we call this unindexed. And next we have unique elements. A set automatically remove duplicate values. If we add the same element twice, it will be stored only once. For example, my set equal curly braces 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and to display, I will write print my set. When I click on this run button, you will see that only 1, 2, 3 values are displayed on output window, and you can also see that there is no duplicate value in this output window. Sets are also mutable. Mutables means that we can add or remove different elements from a set anytime. So how we can add any element in a set? So we can use add method to add single element and update method to add multiple elements. For example, my set equal curly braces 1, 2, 3. I want to add element 4, so I will write at first my variable name, which is my set dot function add function, and inside the parentheses I will write my value that I want to add in my set. So I want to add 4, so I will write at here 4. After writing this, I will write print my set, and then I will click on this run button. You will see a value 4 is added in this set. In a similar way to remove a value from sets, I will write my set dot remove, and inside the parentheses the value that I want to remove. I want to remove 2, that's why I will write it here 2. So to display this, I will write print my set and click on this run button. You will see that only 1, 3, 4 values are displayed on output window. There is no 2 because 2 is removed. Now let's talk about set operations. Set operations basically allows us to perform mathematical operations on sets like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric, etc. Why we use union? Union is used to combine two elements from both sets, but it doesn't include duplicate values. It gives us a set of all unique elements from both sets. Let's take an example. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, set B 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will take another variable with name result equal set A and then sample, union sample, and then set B. After that, I will write print and inside the double quotes union and then result. So when I click on this run button, you can see that only the union of two sets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is displayed. So it includes all unique elements from both sets. In a similar way, when we talk about intersection, the intersection of two sets gives us only the elements that are present in both sets. It means that it finds the common elements in both sets. Common elements are 3 and 4. Now I will replace the sample with intersection and sample, and also replace the union with intersection. After that, when I click on this run button, you will see that only the common elements of both sets A and B are displayed, which are 3 and 4. Difference between two sets gives us the element that are in first set but not in the second set. It removes all the items, any items that appear in both sets. So I will write it here difference sample. This was the difference sample, and then I will replace this word with the difference. After that, when I click on this run button, you will see that the difference between two sets is 1 and 2. These elements are in first set but not in the second. Symmetric difference. Now, symmetric difference of two sets. When a symmetric difference of two sets gives us the element that are in either of the set, but not both. It's like combining the unique elements from both sets and excluding ones that is shared. Set A and set B print symmetric result. So when I click on this run button, you will see that output symmetric difference between these sets is 1, 2, 5, 6. These elements are in either set A or set B, but not in both. So in short words, union combines everything into one set without duplicate. Intersection is used to find the elements that are common in both sets. Difference shows that what is in the first set but not in the second. And symmetric difference shows what's unique to each set, excluding the overlap. This was the lesson. I hope you liked this lesson. Have a good day. Bye.